Hey, I'm Brian Van, SportbikeTracker.com, and today we're going to do a product review on the SPIDI Race Warrior one-piece perforated suit. Okay, as of the time we're shooting this video, the Race Warrior suit retails for $11.99. Remember, we don't update videos for pricing changes, only if the product itself is redesigned, so that is subject to change. Let's dive right in. Who is this suit right for? This has all the features and benefits that I would look for racing at any level, track day riding, of course, if you're looking for a premium suit, and if you want to ride on the street with maximum protections. This is going to cover basically everybody. Sizing. One of the areas we can really help you out with these videos is with the product sizing. I'm 5 feet 11 inches tall, about 205 pounds, 33-ish inch waist right now. The video, Caleb is going to be showing you me wearing this suit in a size 56. Underneath it, I have on the SPIDI back protector. We're going to show you in a second, full coverage back protector. It's very mobile. I like the cut of the suit. It's a little more generous in some areas than some of the other suits within their product range were, and that's something that I gravitate towards. This, for me, would require almost no break-in. Lots of mobility. It's going to have additional space, you know, in the waist, right? So if you put on a little weight, this is going to be more accommodating there. A little more room in the arms and legs, and I kind of appreciated that because it made it a little bit more comfortable and mobile for me. How do I feel about this suit? This is another great one in their catalog. I like the price point, first off, the $11.99. I think this is a ton of value at that price point. You're getting some really high-end features, a very nice cut, okay? Super comfortable for me. If you're a little bulkier in the limbs and such, this is a great option for you. So I really dig it, like the quality of materials that are used, quality of construction, all the features and benefits that come along with it, and I really appreciate the price. You look at this thing, and I could see this retailing for more like $1,300 or $1,400 easily. Okay, let's break down the features and the benefits of the Warrior race suit. We'll start off with the armor that comes in it. You know, in SPIDI, they really changed things up throughout the catalog, right? We've reviewed all their suits now, and each one of them is a little bit different. They employ some different tactics and techniques, and we see that right here with the shoulder armor. I can't get it out of this little pocket, but essentially what we have here is some Warrior technology soft shell armor. Okay, it's got the cells that looks a lot like this, but of course it's soft shell. This installs inside the suit on this little piece of leather that floats a little bit. You can clearly see that. Moldable, flexible, you're able to move this around quite a bit on that patch there to really dial in the fit of this. I like what they do in this area for a number of reasons. The main one is, by having it floating, it allows the cup to just kind of locate with your shoulder, and once you have the suit on and zipped up, it just kind of lands there and stays there. For additional protection, they've got the Warrior technology on the outside of the suit, abrasion and impact resistance there, coupled with this, pretty cool for sure. We'll just move right on down the sleeve now. You'll see that we've got some large panels, especially here in the forearm, so it's going to manage abrasion really well by doing that. They use quality stretch fabric. Everything is safety stitched. We're showing you this right now with the optional elbow slider installed. It's not going to come with the suit. You need to purchase this separate. And even if you can't drag your elbow like Marc Marquez, I still think this is worth adding on because it adds a measure of safety and protection to it. The plastic is very difficult to wear through, so you're kind of eliminating a wear-through point altogether. Additionally, it helps promote a slide. The leather can grab on the pavement and possibly start a tumble. The plastic just going to promote easy gliding, sliding. I think this is worth adding on to the suit. It's more than just a badge of honor if you can hang off low enough to drag your elbow. Worth purchasing. YKK locking zips are used throughout the suit. The armor that they use in the elbow and forearm area, I lost it for a second, is right here, just soft shell stuff we've seen in some of the other suits. Moving on down the suit, let's get to the hip area. The liner is removable, okay, and it has CE certified armor in the hips. This cannot be taken out of the liner. It's fixed. You'd actually have to cut the stitches out, so if you don't dig it when you get it, you know, this may not be the suit for you. I love the protection that they've built into all their race suits in this area. You can see they use 2 layers of that material here right in the focal point of the hip, which is just that hot spot for sure. You are able to wash this if you remove it. Hand wash, mild detergent, line dry, don't throw it in the dryer. The liner also accommodates for use of their chest protector. This is an accessory. It's sold separate, CE certified. It slides in that little pocket. You zip up the suit, holds it in place. You can see it's their Warrior technology. Also, if you're into a chest protector, low profile, it's a great value add. Enhances the protection of the suit. You get down into the lower extremities, and here once again, this is where their suits all differ inside of their catalog. The liner stops right here, and it attaches with some snaps inside. It's easy to feel your way around it. It's just a different take on it, okay? So in the lower portion of the legs, you don't have the mesh liner. What you're going to have is they have internally some like padded, comfortable fabric that's going to be between you and the armor. And then on the back side, you're just going to have the exposed leather, right, and the stretch fabric. You'll have on an undersuit most likely, so that's not a deal breaker at all. The armor they use in that area is CE certified, large coverage, nice knee cup, shin protection. Focusing now on the front of the suit, and let's talk about ventilation for a second. The perforation is focused in this area here. All the stretch fabric that you see, that's going to flow air freely. So on the surface, you look at this, you're like, well, that's not a ton of perf on this suit. You can't discount the fact that that's going to flow air and really work to keep you cool. Ample use of stretch motion panels. Those are perforated. Those will help to enhance airflow as well. The stretch fabric all throughout the crotch and lower legs will allow air to flow. You've got perf up here on top of the thigh, over here on the side a little bit. The shape of the knee on the SPIDI suits is fantastic for me. I really like it. It doesn't bunch up excessively, and that even gets better as they break in. Nice perforated panel there. Replaceable knee slider, of course. It has this location system. I think that's more of an attention to detail thing than being highly functional. That's just my opinion. Looks cool. Once again, attention to detail is very nice from SPIDI. This suit also allows for installation of their CE certified back protector. This is basically a full coverage level 2 protector you can install right inside the suit. You remove the liner and you're able to Velcro it in place using this panel here. You can adjust the height, and then it's on the other side of the liner and it's just kind of tucked away. It's a nice option if you're not into wearing a full coverage back protector with a waist strap, shoulder straps. My personal opinion on it, having worn this with this in there, I would still gravitate more towards the one that has the straps. I just think it holds it to your body a little bit better, enhances comfort, so on and so forth. There's some convenience to this, and if you want to give it a shot, go for it. Myself, I would stick with a standard back protector. Throughout the suit, in the areas where impact and abrasion is expected, you'll find multiple layers of material. That's true, of course, in the seat. 2 layers of leather here. They also have an integrated tailbone protector that is some pretty formidable stuff. It's similar to what we saw for the hip protection in the liner of the suit. Little neoprene detail here is kind of cool. Double zip here. If you're into using the drink bag, this will accommodate it. I think you just kind of pass the straw through here, leave the zips open if you choose to do that. You know, comparing this to the other suits, the integration's a little bit different. The other suits seem to have a little hole here to pass it through. There is a little strap to hold the drink bag hose if you're into that. I don't know that that's a feature a lot of people take advantage of. Leather panels down here. We've got some foam stitch in the back to enhance the performance of the back protector if you come off the bike. Good size motion panel. Come on down the legs. You can see ample use of quality stretch fabric, YKK zips to tidy it all up. End of the day, what do I think? I think this is a whole lot of race suit for $11.99, and if you're a little bulkier in the limbs and the body, this one can be a real great fit option for you.